cutting up green peppers. Alright, we're all set with the mushrooms and the green peppers. I put the cherry tomatoes in towards the end because they don't really need to be cooked. They just need to be kind of warmed through a little bit. Now I'm going to get the frying pan. Hello everybody. I'm finishing up the tomatoes, cutting them. The reason I use the cherry tomatoes is because if I don't use these, the other ones get kind of smushy when they're... Here's the vegetables cooking in the pan. They look really good. They're almost done. I'm putting some coconut oil spray in the pan. And I pour the egg into the pan. And what I do is I swirl it almost like I'm going to make scrambled eggs. And what that does is it just gets all the egg cooked so that it's not all watery inside the omelet. And then after I've got this to what I want it to be at, I'll put some cheese in it. Cover on it so that the cheese melts. Alright, so cut them a little bit. Putting the avocado on. Product.